Okay, this video here is my attempt to make sense of the SSH information I have here in eWallet related to my Liquidweb server, this one. At some point in time, I used WHM to generate an SSH key pair, private and public. Okay, I haven't checked to see where all these keys landed, but I did learn a few things from a YouTube video by a guy whose name is Ed McGinnis. Okay, this is his YouTube video. Alright, what I did learn is, okay, for example, I had a question. Which user is the SSH key for? And how is it used? Okay, my SSH key is for, as it says here somewhere. Okay, the process of generating and managing SSH keys on Liquidweb is through the cPanel account of my normal user account, buscompa, on this server. Okay. So the SSH key pair is for this user. I'm going to just read this. It says the reason for using an SSH key is so I don't have to enter a password when I SSH into buscompa at buscompanyx.com from my iMac or from any other remote computer I use to access my server. Okay. The other thing is, in order for me to be able to use the SSH key for buscompa at buscompanyx.com, it has to be installed for both the user at my iMac and the user buscompa at buscompanyx.com. Okay, according to Ed McGinnis, the way it is done is as follows. A key pair is generated and produces two files. ID underscore, well, actually, mine are named something else. They're right here, ID RSA and ID RSA pub. Okay, this one's private, this one's public. Okay, and I understand that this will work. It doesn't matter where they are generated. However, where they end up does matter. The private key should end up as a file in the .ssh subdirectory of my user's home directory on my iMac. Actually, both of these files should be there. I should have them there. But this is the one, the private key has to be there because I'm SSHing from my iMac to my server. Okay? I believe that one is called Samah Labib on my iMac. Okay, now what needs to be on the server in order for an SSH connection to be established without having to enter a password? On the server, the user I'm SSHing into, and that would be buscompa at buscompanyx.com. That's the user on the server. In his .ssh directory, he has to have a file called authorized keys, which has the contents of my public key file in it. Okay, so that's what needs to happen and needs to exist in order for me to be able to SSH into my server at the buscompa user to SSH into his account.